I'm Arpit. That short movie you just saw, A Piece of Shadow Thief, is a 90-second cinematic noir set in 1947 Tokyo. If you have ever wanted to make a real story-driven short movie without owning a camera or hiring a crew, stay till the end because there's a free resource there where I'll drop what prompt I have used, what settings I have used, so you can use your own creativity to build your own video. So let's start. First, let's see the full movie. It's only 90 seconds and I'll see you on the other side. So that entire movie, every single frame was generated by AI. Every single second of footage was from AI. There was nothing real in there. Even all the characters like the shadow, the human, the Tokyo, everything is fake and generated by AI. The bridge is also not real, none of it. And here's the breakdown: what tool, what workflow, what it cost, and the 3 mistakes that people generally use that might kill the project. So let's start. I used Higgsfield Cinema Studio 3.5 now. There are a lot of AI video generation tools at this stage. There are like Runway, there is Sora, Veo, Kling, LTX Studio, and many more. And I've almost tested most of them. So I ended up here for one specific reason. This isn't just a video generator. It's a full cinematography engine. It has genre preset. Like for my videos, I have picked noir, which automatically pushing every shot towards high contrast, deep shadows, desaturated color. Exactly the look I wanted. It also has lens control. Who gives lens control? And then there is focal length, there is depth of field, there is aperture and whatnot, which is most AI tool don't give you yet. So why would not I use it? And currently I am on a plus plan, which is around like 49 USD a month, which gives me 1000 credits. Some of you might be thinking, okay, so 1000 credits might be less, but that's the beauty of Higgsfield. You can select any video generation models. Like for some of the shots that I think is a hook, I use Cinematic 3.5, which is kind of their best model, and it took me 50 credits. And for the mid sequence where I think the hook is not that important, I used Kling. And Kling is also like one of the best model, and it took me only 12 credits. So basically in $1,000 you can actually create a full decent cinematic like movie. Before any tool, you need a story that fits in AI video. This is where most of the people fail, and I don't know why. We try to make AI do everything. Like AI do what live action does. AI can't do that. Not yet at least. But there's a specific kind of story AI does better than live action. and that's what I leaned into. 3 rules I followed. 1. The story is visual first, dialogue almost zero. Second rule, the protagonist face is consistent across the shots, but I wrote in movements where the camera showed different angles. And the third and the last one, the antagonist is a non-human character. In my case, a literal shadow that detaches from the man's body. Why a shadow? Because AI has a much easier time generating a featureless black silhouette consistently that it does in generating, say, a second human character. So why not? It's an easy way out. I worked with the tool's strength, not against them. That alone is the difference between a movie that works and one that looks like AI slop. So here's where most beginners screw it up. Before I start generating the video, we need to make sure that we are having all the characters that we are using are logged in. We can't directly come to the cinema studio and give our prompt and start working on the video. If we do that, we would lose the consistency. Oh, that's why I like Higgsfield, because it's all in one. So what actually we can do is we can go to this image and create image version here. And if you see, like, I have created these 3 poses of one character same. And I have given like a normal prompt, like this could be the studio style sad man facing front. This is looking side, and this is also another side photo. So I would download all these 3 and then lock in this character. In the similar way, I have also created 3 characters that I needed using the similar prompt that I will attach in the description. And for all those, I have created all these images here using Nano Banana Pro 2. And the same for the dancing lady. For all these characters, if you want, and if you have a basic plan, these are like kind of unlimited images that you can generate. Now, once our characters are fixed, like I have 2 characters now, I'm not using this one, so I'm just considering the 2 characters at this point. What we can do, we can actually go to Cinema Studio, and in this we can create a new project. We can add the elements there. And that's a pretty cool with the Higgsfield. When you want to add any element, you can add all the images there. You can give the name. So I've given the name Naruto and I've selected character, or you can even select like auto, location, prop, whatever you need, and a little bit of description here. And the similar with the shadow, and the same thing I did with another character that I haven't used for now. Once we have finalized all the characters, now we move towards the storyboard. So I would highly recommend if you can make up the story and you can divide it into different shots. So I have divided my story into 18 shots, and these are the resolution that I would be using. Like for 1080p, 5 seconds, 16:9, and audio, I'll change it to on, but it's up to you. And there is almost 328 credits that we would be using. And I'm switching between the Cinema Studio 3.5, which is kind of the Higgsfield best model, and Kling 3.0, depending how efficient we want the results to be in. So for the first shot, I am using Cinema Studio 3.5. But instead of directly moving towards generating the video, we need to do a smart move that most of the people miss. So what we'll do, we'll always start creating the start frame of that shot. Now we can use the prompt that we have, and we can again move back to the Higgsfield, and in the Higgsfield, if we go back to create image, we can start creating all those frames. So these would be the starting frame for each of the shots. I have attached this description, so you guys feel free to use it. And once we do that, we have like unlimited for the Nano Banana. So we can select Nano Banana 2, or you can use GPT-2 image as well. It's pretty good. GPT-2 is also pretty good. You can select 16:9, you can select 4K. I have selected 2K just to be fast. And you can just paste the prompt here for each one of them, and you can create the first frame of every single shot, and then you'll merge them. And once we see it, this is kind of the depth what we want. We can even see like all these lines here on his hand, and see like how detailed this is. That's pretty clean and that's pretty realistic. Once we have all the characters logged and all the frames, like the first frame logged, then we can directly move to Cinema Studio, where would we start generating the videos. And the best thing about Kling 3.0 is it's having a multi-shot option here. So you can see it over here. So for the first video, I have selected Cinema Studio 3.5. It's pretty good because it would take care of all the aperture, all the camera depth and everything, and we can really see the difference. And for all the others, because I have the limited credits, I have used Kling 3.0, which is one of the best model for the multi-shot, and it's really impressive. So when I select Cinema Studio 3.5, there is no way to select the start frame in this model. So we can just upload the character and whatever the starting frame we need. And because we have already named our element, like all the characters here, so whenever you use @Naruto or @shadow, it would automatically be attached. So when I move to say like Kling 3.0 motion controller, Kling 3.0, either one of them, what we can see is there is an option of the start frame here. So you can click it over here. So it's showing me the old one that I have selected. I can get it removed and then I'll add it again. Then it would ask me all the videos that I can, like all the photos that I can upload that could act as the starting frame. So these are like all the different shots I have created as my storyboard frame. So that would be my starting frame. And let's see one of the example here. So let's see this example here. See how much depth it's added, and it's a perfect video that I have seen in last few months from any of the AI model. And once you create all those videos that I have created, all the 18 videos here, you can join them. And if you're not happy with any of the video, you can even regenerate them. And there are like a lot of settings that you can change. So I'll let you guys play with it. Now, after you download all the videos, you can merge them, and either you can use like CapCut or DaVinci to edit your videos and have like few SFX or the sound from the open source. Otherwise, you can also use, they have like the audio models here, so which is like 11v3 speed speech, which are like pretty great model that you can use. If you have a lot of credits, you can directly add audio also from here. Mistakes to avoid. These are the mistakes that I actually did and wasted my lot of time and lot of efforts. The first one of them is generating the video before the storyboard. That's number one, and that's very important. I tried to generate video clips before locking my storyboard, and that's not a good idea. That wasted lot of credits, and even my start frame was wrong. There was no consistency. And number two, redescribing characters every prompt. My early prompts redescribe Haruto's face every single time. The model kept reinterpreting him. The fix was using the elements. So that's why I suggested to fix the characters at the start, describe once and reference everywhere. And the last part, generating with audio on. I have turned on Kling's native audio, which is pretty good, but that's not one of the best that you would expect. So you need a little bit of video editing efforts if you want to make up the mark of actually cinematic style video. That's the whole workflow. 3 days, 350 credits, 90-second cinematic short movie that I am a little bit proud of. And if you want every prompt I use for all the 18 shots, the character setup, the editing settings, everything is in the description. Free to download, free to use, no paywall, no email gate. Just directly copy and paste and be more creative. If you want to see the next one in the series and more about AI happening around, please hit subscribe.